So, with Kerotin hair care, I started in 2019 and my hair was about where it is right now back in 2019. And then by 2021, I had it down to my waist due to their gummies as well as their shampoos and everything that I was using from them helped get my hair back exactly where I wanted it. And I was just loving it so much having my long, beautiful hair again. But cervical cancer happened in 2022. And due to that, I ended up having to cut my hair to my shoulders. And that was not easy because I worked so hard and loved how long my hair was. But back then in 2022, I knew I had to do that, cut it because it was coming out in chunks and it was not looking good due to how much hair loss I had. So I did cut it. And now it is growing because now I'm taking their soothing vitamins, which helps the hormones balance out. And I can tell you within 3 months of taking it every single day, their Soothe vitamins with my hair gummies as a combo, it has helped drastically my hair loss. So just remember, it's consistency when you're taking something. You need to give it 3 months to fully get the effect, to see how your body handles it and if it really works for you. Not everything is going to work for everyone like it did for me, for one, or some of the products that may not have worked for me may work for you. So just keep that in mind and having patience. Taking things like a routine type of thing where you're taking your vitamins during, breakfast time or dinner time, it will help you for not forgetting to take them, for one. So just always remember consistency and, giving the product some time to work. That is my advice for you.